promise to myself, today I choose me. I cannot control someone else's choices, only who I become. I release the need to chase answers, compare myself, or let others define my worth. My heart is hurting, and that's okay. Pain is not weakness, it is proof I love deeply, but I will not let it define my future. Each day I will take one step forward. I will care for my body, strengthen my mind, protect my peace, and build a life I'm proud of. When thoughts of my wife arise, I will not fight that mind. I will simply say that chapter is not meant to control, and return to my life. Yeah. I deserve peace, happiness, and a future built on my own strength and character. This season will pass. One day I will see that it didn't break me, it made me stronger and wiser. Stronger and wiser. Today I choose